We've had yet another great event here at the Tower of London talking about the application of data, technology, artificial intelligence and generative AI in particular, and how that applies to customer experience technology and delivering really empathetic individual experiences to customers. We had Paul Cox, who's our lead CX consultant. He talked about the welfare of the agents who are on the front line of talking to customers, and what do we do to best support them and to ensure their well-being, their mental health, and make sure that they're well and therefore obviously able to continue to deliver great experiences. We had Stuart from Genesys, who was able to give us an update on some of the investments they're making in AI and really looking at how they see the journey going from purely interactional transactions with customers right up to showing real empathy and helping customers through difficult and challenging experiences. Then we heard from two brilliant real life practitioners of customers who are operating large contact centres at scale and their experience of deploying the technology. So first of all, we heard from Patrick, who's building one of the largest airline customer experience implementations in Europe at the moment from Lufthansa Group, which is a whole group of European airlines. They're putting Genesys Cloud in. He was talking about the experience of unifying their approach to customer experience across all of their brands, the benefits they were getting from having things like a single view of data, a single view of communicating about their brand and a technology platform they can build on for the future. And then we heard from Kevin at Utility Warehouse, who already operate their large contact center at scale on Genesys Cloud, and talking about some of the ways that they've implemented generative AI and AI technology to make some significant differences. And they're having an amazing impact. They've been able to measure the ROI, for example, of using machine learning and predictive routing to make sure that they can get the best possible match of agent to customer inquiry. And then finally, we had a look at it in real life. So no smoke and mirrors, real life demos, looking at how we can bring that generative AI to play in real life customer interactions, all on a scenario based around the 17th century rogue Thomas Blood, Colonel Blood, who tried to steal the crown jewels from the Tower of London behind me. So a fantastic day yet again, more than 100 people in the room learning about CX and how we can apply data, machine learning and artificial intelligence to deliver brilliant customer experiences.